Okay, so what road is this?
I don't know what the name of the road is. We're going to Waihee Trails.
I just popped my ears.
Yeah, mine too.
What'd you guys buy yesterday?
A 1,500 tall pole.
Why so early in the morning? I know. It's. There you go. They purchased this big GoPro stick that we saw on YouTube. This is so hard. It's come up and it's steep. No, we're almost there.
I give you $10.
So what?
The silver thing.
The silver thing? $10. $10.
$10.
I don't think it's not worth it. $10 for me to run up there? Sprint or run?
No, you run. No
Mais,
stop.
j'ai vraiment ça que tu le fais. With the backpack?
With the backpack.
That was super, super tiring. Come on, Maya. It is filming. Okay, yeah, it's filming. You see there's a waterfall right there. Yeah. Okay, but this lighting is on point, I do have to say. Are you a carrier? Your action go barefoot here, mommy? Ew. Maybe no.
Okay, so they say so many big benefits from going barefoot.
And the trail's super muddy.
I'm gonna try it.
Mommy, a photo.
Feels so good.
Your foot's not even touching the ground yet. Okay.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know
Look
that time
up.
can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it.
You want to go check this out?
Actually,
This is the trail.
I'll let you go check.
Oh. I know, I should see where it leads to. It clearly leads to something. Come on, Mom, you got this. I know it hurts, but it's all good. Yeah.
When I post,
Okay. Tiring. Very, very tiring. What's over there?
natural slide.
It's
right there, you just
natural
see?
tie-dye. It's like those you brown.
Yeah, but this is the area up here.
Too close. You are too close.
Look at this.
That's great. You are too close to the edge. Layla. Get your...
You know what's over here.
That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this.
So This is me freaking out because Papa's trying to bring the drone down, okay? I'm freaking out because I want it to land correctly. And Maya's annoyed to pieces.
She's like, why am I here? Why are we here?
Allez, let's go, on avance.
Why?
I can't do it.
Actually fine.
No, it isn't.
Of course, you're enjoying yourself. You wanted to go on a hike, and we wanted to go
boogie boarding, like.
Oh, pretty. There goes the drone.
Crazy. Oh, look at this quality.
I actually cannot lift left, really.
I can so look left. It looks so cool.
Eh, c'est joli, hein?
C'est magnifique.
We were just right there. Yeah, feel the earth.
Oh my God! Oh, this right here is
Oh,
right.
wait, mine moved this side. Oh yeah, I feel it's sticking on my shoes. I wonder how it's sticking on your feet.
One mile.
Only 1 mile? It is super slippery over here. Like, yeah, I understand why people go down. Like,
Oui?
there's like natural staircase. Please don't slip. Please don't slip. Oh my God.
Ooh, here's another one. Take this with this.
Come on.
Mommy, you should go back.
Yeah, I know. At this point, you're done, right?
She Maya was at the start when we had to go up like that whole area. Maya.
I need to take all this. Take
Okay, maybe you guys can go back to the car. You, Mom, Maya, want to do that? Maya. Okay, so you guys see that zigzag line up there? I'm gonna draw a line so you guys can see it. We're going all the way up there. What is it like, Mommy, coming up this?
It's like one of those Survivor shows, like Naked and Afraid, or yeah, Survivor, or anything in a while.
Yeah.
I gotta use my hands.
Yeah, get it, Mommy, you got it. Come on, Mommy, get to time to get immunity. Yeah, you got it.
Put shoes on now.
Right now it's just mental strength. The visor is now on with this sun. It's probably can't even tell, but yeah. Like, look at this. Look, Mommy, look.
Oh my God.
Like, look at all of this. Because last year we went to Yao Valley, which is the other trail. This is so tiring. Let's see.
How did Mommy react to that?
Wow. How's this, Mommy? How's this? Background.
It's good.
Après qu'on ait fait tout
We
ça,
were all the way down there.
Got you got that beast mode on. There it is, right there, the tree we're gonna go up. Oh my God. Look at the view here. Wow. Look at this thumbnail. Yeah, we're at stairs now. See, it's fine. Water break?
So according to some people we just crossed, they say we're about like 40
minutes.
40 minutes away. And
Mommy's
it's
not too happy about it.
And it's totally worth it. We'll be in the cloud. She wants to give up, but I insist to tell her to keep going.
Okay, next spot, I'll draw out the line for the next trail. Oh, okay, there we go. 2 miles, Mommy, that was really good. 2 miles.
Ew.
Okay, shoes back on. Here, you got this, Mommy. You got this. This is gross, truly gross. It is tough. It's so tiring. Oh, shoot the wind. Okay. A guy we just passed said 10 minutes to the top. 10 minutes. Mommy's back. She's back barefoot again. Just up there. Just up there. Oh.
It's cold.
It is getting colder now. We're getting to the top. See the clouds. Okay, 2 mile mark.
Here.
We're officially in the clouds. Oh. We're almost there. Almost there. Look.
Clouds, right?
Yeah, you see the clouds. Not really on camera, but these are clouds right next to us. Oh my God, we're here. We made it. Oh my God.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain.
It's so muddy.
I know.
You made it, so you look at I almost made it all barefoot.
How was it?
I want food.
What would you rate the trail?
Huh?
What would you give the trail? A solid like 2? No, I'm joking.
Yeah, it was fun.
You?
I don't know. No, it was beautiful, but yeah, it wasn't worth this.
We'll just see some clouds. It was a fun trail, but yeah, super tiring, super muddy. It's just, just to get up here to see a bench with some clouds.
Lower.
I don't
Overcame yourself.
Yes, but still,
In the mud.
we climbed all this to see some clouds in a deck, in a bench. We finished. We're in the car now. That was the worst part. Was going down.
That was fun.
No, it was not. It was not fun. But yeah. So here's the car. Yeah. We're in what mile?